Hey, it's Matt from Weidert Group. Today I'm going to be doing a deep dive using pin filters in HubSpot for more efficient reporting. Now, HubSpot allows you to not only pin your favorite filters, but also group them together. This is a game changer for sales managers who need to manage and analyze complex data sets without the limitation of just 5 filters. Today I'll show you how this new group filters feature works and how it can significantly boost your productivity and decision-making capabilities. Let's get started. So you'll see here I have this dashboard built out for a client. Now each report on this is using a different date range filter, and previously you would have to set the date range on each single report and it would be different. But also another asset they had was that they wanted to parse this data out by company name. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. So if you go into the upper left hand corner where it says quick filters, you're going to click this date range and you're going to click add. Now it's going to collect all of the different date range properties and group them together automatically. So that's a nice new feature. And then if I click into advanced filters here and I click over to quick filters, I'm going to click add quick filter and I'm going to search for company name. You're going to click that and then hit add and you are good to go. Now I'm going to show you how the date range works. So we are going to select, let's do last quarter. I'm going to hit apply. And now you will see that every single report is being affected by that last quarter time frame. So if I click this little eye next to the triangle, dashboard filters are applied to this report. You'll see SM101 session 8 form completion date is last quarter. And then just to show you how the different date ranges properties work on each report, this one is keying off of SM101 session 1. So again, each single report on this dashboard is using a different date range property. So it's a really nice added feature that HubSpot added to group them all together. And then if I click this contacts company name contains any of, let's just search Quantexa. I know that there's data in here for that. We're going to hit apply. And now it's keeping that date range of last quarter, and then it's also just showing me answers from Quantexa. So this dashboard is working and the pinned and group filters are working on this dashboard. If you need complex reporting built out like this, please feel free to contact Weidert Group. We have a great team of experts that would love to work with you. Thanks for taking the time and watching this, and have a great day.